In a world where care is key, Ocean Bird Foundation, we guarantee healthcare assistant training. We provide nursing assistants, patient care technicians side by side. Ocean Bird Foundation, reaching high, exceptional care without exceptional background. From physical to online, we offer it all, empowering students to answer the healthcare call. Pharmacy assistant, dispensary assistant, tools, skills and knowledge will help you accrue. Join our courses, unlock your potential, the bright future in healthcare, so it's essential. With passion and dedication, we strive to share compassionate hearts come alive. Ocean Bird Foundation, together we stand, transforming lives hand in hand. Ocean Bird Foundation, side by side. Ocean Bird Foundation, reaching high, exceptional care without exceptional battle cry. From physical to online, we offer it all, empowering students to answer the healthcare call. Pharmacy assistant, dispensary assistant, tools, skills and knowledge will help you accrue. Join our courses, unlock your potential, bright future in healthcare, so it's essential. With passion and dedication,